Hello everyone, welcome aboard to a new video. We're starting this video on the Sismo laboratory that is connected with ProSim, and this is the 737NG. Today we're going to see the hardware difference between the after overhead of the NG and the MAX. I'd like to clarify that all the models are different between the 737NG and the MAX, especially the MIP. But we're only going to see the hardware difference of the after overhead of both simulators. Alright, let's get to see the difference. Okay, so here we are, and at the top we have the 737NG after overhead, and at the bottom we have the 737MAX after overhead. You'll see the differences as soon as we point them out, as well as the great quality of the product. Of course, the models are fully operative and ready to be connected to your computer through an Ethernet bus. Both after overheads are powered by the SIM card SCMB Ethernet, just like the rest of the Plug&Fly Sismo models. Their metallic frames are made in aluminum, providing robustness and durability. They are painted with powder coated to achieve the perfection. The knobs are made in injection plastic following the real specifications, and the panels are bolted to the structure with the thus. As well as the knobs, all the buttons and switches are ready to be used and have the most accurate finish. Now that the models are turned on, I would like to clarify that both after overhead models are wired in test mode. That's why they haven't yet started working, basically because they are not connected to any simulator. We're currently testing the lights, knobs, and the whole models to guarantee the proper functioning. With that being said, let us get to the point. Starting with the lower panel, the MAX puts together a more complete panel with much more details, while the NG low panel has the standard configuration we're used to seeing. In the case of lead devices and ELT, these areas are the same for both after overheads. Then, the IRS mode selector for the 737NG is quite different from the MAX. We see that the NG has a single GPS annunciator, while the MAX assembles two more annunciators. Meanwhile, the IRS display is the same for both. And as we said earlier, this company produces the highest quality of products. The injection plastic knobs, push buttons hardware, and switches are fully operative and as accurate as the real airplane's ones. Alright, now we see pass oxygen. This panel is also the same for both after overheads. Another significant change is visible in the ACP. The NG ACP is quite different from the MAX, that has been built following the standard of the new ACP for the MAX, although the quality is total in both cases. Additionally, the 737MAX builds the broadband system, while the NG doesn't have it. And finally, we have the MAX engine, which is also different from the 737NG engine. So in essence, that was it. We just wanted to show you a little bit the main differences between both after overheads, without forgetting that every Sismo model is always made with the highest quality to provide the best products for our clients. To know how to configure it and get these models started, I remind you that we uploaded another video on how to connect a Sismo model using ProSim 737. And in case you buy one of the after overheads, but bit by bit, remember that we also have a video on our channel on how to connect Sismo IDC interfaces to the base plate. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn the notifications on for more content like this. See you on the next video. Bye bye.